The Easter Bunny and the Chocolate Factory. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a group of animals who were getting ready for the annual Easter egg trail. The animals were excited to participate in the event, but they knew that it wouldn't be easy. The Easter Bunny had hidden the eggs in the most challenging places, and only the most perseverant and resilient animals would be able to find them all. The first animal to start the trail was a little rabbit named Rosie. She was determined to find all the eggs and win the grand prize. Rosie hopped along the trail, searching high and low for the hidden eggs. She looked under rocks, behind trees, and even in the river. But no matter how hard she looked, she couldn't find any eggs. Feeling discouraged, Rosie sat down on a log and started to cry. That's when she heard a rustling in the bushes. Out popped a friendly squirrel named Sammy. Sammy had already found a few eggs and was happy to help Rosie on her quest. Together, Rosie and Sammy searched the forest, and with Sammy's help, Rosie found her first egg. They continued on the trail, and with each egg they found, Rosie's confidence grew. She realized that even though the trail was tough, she could persevere and overcome any obstacle. As they approached the final egg, they saw that it was hidden on top of a tall tree. Rosie was scared, but Sammy encouraged her to keep going. With all her might, Rosie climbed the tree and retrieved the last egg. The animals gathered at the finish line, and the Easter Bunny announced the winner of the grand prize. To everyone's surprise, it was Rosie. She had shown perseverance and resilience, and her determination had paid off. Rosie was overjoyed and thanked Sammy for his help. The two friends hugged, and the other animals cheered. The Easter egg trail had been a success, and Rosie had learned an important lesson. With perseverance and resilience, anything is possible. And so, the animals celebrated with a big Easter feast, and Rosie and Sammy enjoyed their victory together. The end.